there you have it. This is the very distinctive mustache channel. So riding with a mustache, the feeling is like you're well dressed up. Like without a mustache, you like naked person riding a BMX. So right now I've shown you 3 different angles of how I do my 180 bunny hop. So the main factor, the decent bunny hop. So you can bunny hop using the 1-2 method. So I have a bunny hop tutorial here, but in Filipino or Tagalog version. So you can try it and watch it here. Here is the tag for the how to bunny hop in Filipino version. So you can do the 1-2 motion, the front end, then back end. So that's the bunny hop method. Then next is the 180. So how the Carabao. So how can you do the 180? 180 means that you have to turn 180 degrees. So you'll be landing on your back, or you're gonna pedal backwards. So you must first have the bunny hop and then the fakie. Yeah, the fakie. So I'll show you how to fakie. So you can learn how to fakie. You can fakie in 2 minutes or 5 minutes, just like this. Remember the muscle memory. Revert there. You can pedal backward 1 crank or half crank. Just remember how to revert. You know, in which direction you are circling, half circle, and then go to that direction using your bars. Pretty simple. So once you master the fakie, and you can do the 180. Yeah, so once you master the both techniques, the bunny hop and then the fakie and revert, once you master those 2, you put them together and you need to rotate in the air. So that's the 180. This is how it's done. Let's go. So as you can see, I've carved to the right. As you can see, my bars turning right. Just a little, just to do the 180. And then I hop, do the bunny hop while sighting my landing. So maybe my head is not well turned, but I'm looking at my landing. So I'm looking just like that. Yeah, I'm looking over there. See, so maybe my head is not well turned, but I'm looking at my landing. So where I'm gonna land, I'm looking at it. Because when I turn my head, maybe I'll land at 360, or I'll overshoot the 180. So that may land to at 270. And reminders: if you're left or right foot forward, if you're left, you're carving to the right. Yes, and then if you're right foot forward, you're carving to the left. So that's the basic way how to 180 for the footings. But you can turn anywhere when you want, if you feel comfortable where you want to turn, left or right, left foot forward, right foot forward, or carving to the left or carving to the right. There's no problem with that, but it's the fundamentals that I'm okay with that. Any way you feel comfortable, you can turn. Yeah, you can turn left or right, right foot forward, left foot forward. So there's no other way. Just do the 180. Yeah, making sense. So let's do some 180. I'll show you some slow motion clips and videos so you can follow the flow, how I move the 180, how I carry the bike up in the air, And there's another way, so you can scoop your back wheel. You can swipe your back wheel using the rotation, just like this. So there, as you can see, I'm just using my back foot to swipe the back tire. So the rotation will be on my foot. My feet is carrying the rotation as I'm just spotting my landing using my eyes here. So that's the method, but you can use the decent bunny hop if you want to hop in or hop out. But the swipe, my foot swiping method only can rotate you faster. Yeah, it depends to you if you're comfortable in which technique you will do. So I hope you can land the 180 today and start 180 now. Start with the bunny hop and then the fakie and combine it together, do the 180. Yeah. This is a never grow old channel. Ano ba yun?